Today we're going to show you how to flip a spring latch on a storm door mortise lock so that it can work for either left or right-handed applications. In some cases, it's necessary to turn a screw on the back end of the mortise lock. This screw is directly attached to the spring latch. Turning the screw will push the spring latch out past the faceplate. Once it is fully clear of the faceplate, you will be able to rotate it 180 degrees. Then, simply fasten the screw until it is secure. Some mortise locks require you to push the latch in before you can turn it. The first step is to lift the metal stop behind the latch to allow it room to fully depress. Rotate it a full 180 degrees. You may then release it and allow it to return to its original position. Your storm door mortise is now ready to work for an opposite-handed application. If you have any questions about this project or need help finding the right hardware, visit us at Swissco.com.